Eddie and I, we're here today to look for a new location for our The Serious Gamers workshop. Some awesome art for those who know what they see over there. And over here, some small breakout spaces for 2 players, unfortunately due to Corona. But here, very spacious, some artwork, movable walls. Enough space to sit spread out at multiple tables. These are quite light, so we can put these standing tables apart. Also over here, movable walls, so that's yeah, we're quite in love with this space. See how deep? So that's awesome. Even some stuff over there, movable whiteboards, a beamer, a small stage for people to do their improv blah or whatever. Yeah, this is awesome. And, oh no, it's moving! It's moving! So yeah, I think we have a winner and a location to host our September 4th workshop. Some of the art, wonderful. I feel so thrilled.